going to be a kitchen closet. That used to be the closet to the dining room. We're reversing it. So we're basically closing this door down and we're going to open it up here and make that the pantry for the kitchen. We're supposed to be removing this column here and making this an open space, but into further notice we haven't done anything yet. So have it inspected. Well, the electrical's got to get done next. And the cabinets, as you can see, at the customer's request, does not want to remove them. They want to make a nice miracle with them and refinishing and making them look different. I don't know. We can show you that when we're done.